Bioprinting is the three-dimensional printing of biological tissue and organs through the layering of living cells. Each cell is extracted from the patient's body, creating an artificial duplicate. The Weill Cornell Medical College has invented a real human ear using a bioprinter, helping children with microtia and cancer. Scientists and engineers have discovered that their bioprinter has the same abilities to print artificial skin which can be placed onto the burn wounds. In the last 10 years, the number of patients requiring an organ has doubled. Therefore, 3D printing will allow easy access for those in need of an organ. A prosthetic hand costs $3,000, whereas a 3D printed prosthetic hand costs $50, making it easier for people living in underdeveloped countries to purchase it.